Hindi eh. Dapat nanalo tayo doon. So, walang punishment or consequence. Okay? I'm competitive, guys. So, yeah. So, you should support us, guys. Sean and Kylie and me, of course. It's 9:45. Kamo, okay? Are you there, Kamo? You too? Prince, na. Ano? Ganyan dati, punishment. Ganon? Weh. O, sige, pag kayo may ganon. Pero panalo nyo kami, syempre, para gusto mo naman kami ipatalo eh. Ano, panalo ninyo ako kami ah. Chiba? Pag panalo nyo kami, paano noorin kita bukas? Anong punishment? You mean punishment? Um, hindi ko alam anong punishment eh. Ano ba punishment? Sino ba magpa-punishment dyan? Ha? Sino ba magpa-punishment, guys? Kasi first team PK namin is tomorrow, guys. So, very intense, very exciting, like with a thrill, and then with a little nervous. Kamo, are you there, Kamo? Danny, hi. Yeah. Nahera, guys. Hi, Ben. What I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna lose you. I can hold you. I can say goodbye. To love you, baby. You know that I can't hold it. But it's time. So long. J Paris, J Paris. Ano? Oo. Tidak na nga, ni kinagaan G kasi ko na bukasan. Ba't kang tataw do? O di kaya sa baba. Yes, yes. I can't go. Pa 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 pa. Guys, support, share my live also. Campo Basso.